Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus ZenBook. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus ZenBook won't turn on, it could be due to several reasons, including a faulty battery, malfunctioning power adapter, or a failed motherboard. If the issue isn't addressed promptly, you risk losing important data or causing further damage to your device. In this video, we'll guide you through the diagnosis and repair process. To carry out this repair, you'll need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery if necessary, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static damage. First, ensure your device is powered off and disconnected from any power supply. Using your plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back cover of the Asus ZenBook. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as it can crack the casing. Once inside, visually inspect the battery and power connections. If you're looking for the faulty component, it's often the battery or the power connector. You'll need to disconnect the battery first by carefully unclipping the connector. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it will need replacing. When extracting the battery, note the screws used. Typically, they're Phillips screws, and you'll want to apply moderate force to avoid stripping them. Make sure to remember which screws go where, as they can vary in size. After removing the battery, install the new one by aligning it carefully and reconnecting the battery connector. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the battery, ensure everything is secure before reattaching the back cover. Press down gently to snap it back into place, ensuring no gaps remain. Finally, power on your Asus ZenBook to check if it turns on correctly. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this issue from recurring, keep your device's software updated and consider using a surge protector to safeguard against power surges. Regularly check the health of your battery and avoid exposing your laptop to extreme temperatures. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.